Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to explain to you different camera angles when flying in manual mode on the Avata 2. Now when you're flying in normal or sport mode, what the drone is doing is it's constantly compensating for the drone's angle to keep the gimbal looking straight ahead. But when you're in manual mode, the gimbal is going to be set at a fixed angle, so no matter what the orientation of the drone is, the gimbal angle is going to stay fixed. Now that angle is determined by what you set it when using the control wheel on the FPV3 controller. Now basically 0 degrees is going to be looking straight ahead. It's a flat camera angle which is going to give you a fully sort of linear response with all the different control movements, and it's also going to give you a really slow flying experience because if you tilt the drone too far forwards to go fast, all you're going to see is the ground. So if we then move the camera up a little bit more, we can now see it's pointed upwards, and now what we're going to have here is as we're flying forwards, the camera is looking straight forward. So now we have a natural forward tilt to the drone as its sort of normal state. Now we can use this to our advantage when we're trying to get an appropriate flying speed. So basically, the higher the camera angle, the faster you're going to be flying in order to keep the drone in the sky, because the greater the camera angle, the greater your angle of tilt is going to have to be in order to move forwards while still looking like straight ahead. Now on the DJI Avata 2, I do not actually recommend that you go above sort of 40 degrees on the camera angle. If you start pushing it past that, you are going to start to run out of power and you will struggle to pull out of sort of diving maneuvers or maneuvers where you need a lot of power to get it up. So what I generally go for as a rule of thumb is if I'm flying nice and slow, I go for between 5 and 10 degrees. For my sort of normal speed flying, I'm flying around 25 degrees. And if I want to fly nice and fast, I crank it up to 35 degrees. Now I've found that those are really nice values to use with the Avata 2 to get sort of a nice slow speed, a nice flowy speed, and then really high speed footage. Something else you're also going to notice is when you start really pushing your camera angle, you're going to feel the drone is going to start to feel a little bit different. Now that's because when we have the camera angle tilted, some of our control inputs start to feel different because of the angle of tilt of the drone. I don't want to go too far into this because it does get quite complicated, but basically just bear that in mind. So if while you've got a really high camera angle, you roll and you also see the drone yawing a little bit, that is normal. That is just due to the high angle of the camera. So that's basically everything you need to know about camera angles when flying in manual mode on the Avata 2. Go out, try it, enjoy it, try and keep it below 40-45 degrees for the best experience, and I'm sure you're gonna have a good time. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now I'm also currently working on a cinematic FPV course, so if that's something that you would be interested in, then you can sign up to the waitlist down below to get notified on all the latest developments and information with this course. Now I've also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of that linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.